Let's capture data the right way. Around the game sit the intermediate screens, and there are two, one before the game and one after it. And you decide where these screens go. A form can come before the game, or after it. Arrange your intermediate screens in any order you like. In a form, choose the fields you want. Name, email, phone, whatever you need. Mark each field required or optional. Fields can be conditional, like collecting an address only when someone wins a physical prize. One setting matters most here. Keep the marketing opt-in optional, never pre-ticked. And you're not limited to one. Back on those intermediate screens, you can stack as many as you like. A form, custom content, a message, a leaderboard, even a social screen. And it's all on brand, on any device. Set it up and start collecting serious data. Set up data capture.